So Z did an unpacking video of his trip to wherever the fuck he went. That place with the guys and the unpacking. I don't know if it's actually on the Consortium channel. It might be on his other channel. I'll link to it in the description below. So anyway, we're going to compare his unpacking to my unpacking. Of course, his was a vacation unpacking. This is a regular week of cooking unpacking. And if this is not in the right place, the GoPro, if it's too low or too high, blame Jay, because this is his camera and he gets all touchy about me adjusting it. Ugh, what a bitch. So anywho, unpack. Bread, 45 calorie bread, because you know what? I fucking love toast, guys. I love toast. It's a vice of mine, and I need to eat it. So instead of eating 120 calorie normal slices, 45. I feel less guilty. Bread. Preferably, I like a good ciabatta bread with butter. Fuck. Toasted. Damn it, that's how you know I'm Italian. Anyway. Milk. Whole milk. Just for cereal and whatever. Blueberries. Buy one, get one free, guys. Buy one, get one free. Also, mostly for cereal, because they're delicious. Applesauce. Granny Smith makes, Mott's makes Granny Smith applesauce, and it's actually delicious, so sometimes when I get home in the morning and I'm just like, fuck, I want something to eat that's kind of sweet, this is this suffices. Also, I'm counting my calories right now, so if you're wondering why things are on the healthier side, that's why. Can't be like Z. Can't do it! Broccoli for tonight's dinner, so this is tonight's dinner, so let's put that over there. One jalapeno, also for tonight's dinner, which I'll probably record if Jay doesn't record something of his own. Avocados, because delicious. One plantain, because I love them fried with a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. Quick lunch, not for today, just to have. Bagel's actually really good. For a future Consortium video. If you can guess what it is in the comments, I don't know, you don't win anything, but you feel good about yourself. I like to snack on olives. Kalamata preferably. Quinoa and brown rice, tonight's dinner. I'm gonna try these. These are perfectly free, non-dairy frozen bites. Free of peanuts, tree nuts, blah blah blah. I like to try peanut, tree nut free products, because I'm allergic to nuts and things like that. So I was like, try it. Made in New England. The packaging? I'm assuming, whatever. So I'd like to try that. Maybe I'll start reviewing nut-free things for any of my nut-free viewers out there. Since, I don't know, it's like I've eaten ice cream. I mean, I've grown up my whole life eating regular brands of ice cream, Haagen-Dazs, whatever, fucking Blue Bunny, Edie's. But the older I get, the more OCD I guess I've become. And also because I work in a hospital, so I've seen the sad ramifications of cross-contamination where people eat something and they end up not having EpiPens, not getting it in time, and ending up in, like, vegetative states from hypoxic brain injuries. So the older I get, the more just aware I become of the things I'm eating regarding my allergies. So, you know, why not? Fuck it. Fuck! Also, I'm gonna buy myself an ice cream maker at some point. Probably the KitchenAid attachment, and we'll go over that. Make some fucking delicious things! Yes. Anyway, so this is frozen, this is frozen. I can go in the freezer. French beans. Get 2 meals each out of these, so French beans. Iron Chef, hoisin sauce and General Tso's. Nut-free, peanut-free facility. So, I like these sauces. The General Tso's is fucking delicious. The hoisin I use for a lot of recipes where it's just like, you need a tablespoon of hoisin, and I'm like, god damn it. So, keep this on hand most of the time. Also, delicious with the ribs. Hoisin, damn, it's so good. I'm saying it wrong. Yeah, I'm American, from New York. General Tso's just delicious. So, I always keep those on hand in my house for a quick stir fry or something. Also for the video. So those go together. It's gonna be pretty easy to guess what this is going to become at some point this week. Especially when I add a ham steak to it. Can you guess? Can you? Fresh mozzarella sticks. Because cheese is a delicious snack. Galbani makes really good stuff. They actually make this like block of like soft provolone, which is amazing in pasta salads, and I can't find it. I bought it twice, and it was amazing, and now I can't find it. So, if anyone knows where they sell that, comments. Snacks. Uncured turkey bacon. I think I tried this a few years ago, and it was really, really good. Or really bad. We'll have to find out. Applegate Farms makes actually kind of... Their shit's hit or miss. Their Sunday bacon is amazing. Their regular just Sunday labeled bacon. Ugh, fucking delicious. I've had some of their sausages which were like, meh, but give it a go. More turkey bacon. Listen, I like breakfast. I think breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. A knob of garlic for tonight's dinner. And shitty cheap steaks for tonight's dinner. Because why not? I'm probably going to try to film tonight's dinner. This is going to get filmed at some point. This is just my food for me. Fuck you, my food. And this is going to the freezer. Freezer, okay. Actually, let's do it now. So I'm at Jay's for the moment, so... Holy God, there's actually room in his freezer for once. His freezer sucks. Don't get bottom freezers if you actually plan to exist as a human. If you don't cook and you don't care, that's one thing. But if you actually, like, need space, no. Do not go that way. Fridge. Rock that in the fridge. These can stay out. This fridge. In no particular order since I'm gonna go home tonight. Fridge. Hopefully there's room in his fridge. Fridge. Alright, just pile stuff on top of each other. Hopefully there's a spot. Oh my God. That's a whole bunch ton of soup. I'm assuming the woman made him make soup. There's probably a video. Huh? Oinksy doodles. Okay, I guess that's the code for pork. Alright guys, you fucking weird. Love you. Love you. So we're gonna carefully balance the celery there. We're going to... This is old. I should probably throw that away now at this point. This is the pile of M things. Don't fall. This is poorly constructed. Very poorly, yes, no. So we have to figure out that more that way. This is... Alright, we can do this. I believe in us. Better. Winksy doodles. This is gotta be dumb, Justin. You're fucking dumb. You're fucking dumb. This. Oh, look, they actually have milk. Is it expired? No. They almost never have milk. They're terrible at milk. Blueberries. Not to confuse my blueberries with their blueberries. Up here. And the beans. Here too. Ta-da! And video.